My God, why this girl love talk so much? Girls in general chat enough. I guess cause them have an extra set of lips.
Yeah, I didn't know when I reached there, I just
Auntie, can we get $100 please?
For what, sir?
I just lose my job and my house burned down. Weeks now I don't eat nothing, you know.
Yo! Them bigger you now will no medicine, no? Pre this. And me must take my money and give him? Must be mad no.
Weeks.
Good.
Hungry, you know.
Good. I have $500. It's
Don't
not really
worry.
much, but...
This was... Yo, look out for this man.
Anthony!
Look, no, Sashawna, look on the boy too. What a long boy. Learn for act better. Him look like no friggin' better and work too. Look work, you're here, bro.
Anthony!
But enough for people like him, you see a sponge off for the good sitting in society, man. Go look work.
Anthony, like, be honest, what do you think about you know, I feel like you just don't listen to me any at all.
Sashawna, I'm hungry now. Like, I'm legit hungry. I'm not really I think about them right now.
I realize you only have two expressions, hungry or horny.
Well, if you see me without erection, just feed me.
Big man thing, what do you think about my performance in the modeling show? What would that mean?
It could have been better. Yes.
Better? I was good.
Hey, speaking of which, I'm that sexy girl that I'm going to see they are model with. I can give her a number.
Never.
No, but like, for real though, you know, she's sexy, you know, you can't give her a number.
Never.
Never, as in, we'll never have a female prime minister, because, you know, that happened.
No, never. If you ask me that one more time, I guess everybody say eat front.
Tell you we don't know money now, wicked, you know. Jesus, now wicked.
Bonjour, amigos!
Oh, God, you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good. Sash, governor? Okay. New day, same old thing, don't it? There's nothing new about you.
Sorry, Kelly, you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good. Hold on.
I missed you last night, you know. Sashawna fashion show. Why you make you never turn up?
Yeah, what was it? Why never come?
Oh, I never tell them what happened. Yeah, man, so, you guys, Sharisha died.
Yeah, Papa?
Yeah. But I'm good though. Don't worry about me. I'm good. And you know, her family have been supporting them and everything. I just couldn't come, Sash. I'm so sorry, but
Rykel, I saw her in your Snapchat this morning.
Oh, you did? Oh no, man. That's because this morning them called me after me leave out from home. Them tell me so she dead. So
And I heard you on the phone with her when you're walking.
what? No, man. No, I never Sharisha.
Come up with a better lie.
It's our
Two lie.
Our twin sister.
Don't know.
Alright, fine, sure.
Why didn't you come to my thing?
Alright, Sashawna, of course. Didn't you know it was the last episode of Scandal? I could not miss it.
Scandal!
Either way, I could have tell you about what happened.
Really?
I can tell you right now what happened. Yeah.
You know, I realize you're so selfish and I support not only do you just all for yourself. Oh, if I have a big performance, you're like, no,
Oh
for
my
nails,
gosh,
for the this,
typical
for the
Sashawna,
that.
typical
Everything
Sashawna.
is
Every
you,
time
never
you bring
me.
this- Oh really? So wait, what about that time you missed out on my performance?
Doing your nails is just a performance.
What? My nails? Really? Really? I was talking about my dance rehearsal that I did. That you're supposed to come to the performance.
You know I could have called it that.
Friday.
At least I have an excuse then.
The place hotty. Jesus. My word. I'm kinda bored. I'm hungry. Fifth some KFC, you know. Yeah, that may go do. I get some KFC.
Selfish all the time and you only care about yourself. And when it comes down to your business, you expect everybody to give the most.
Whatever, don't know. You're such an awful friend. Everything's about you. We can't be friends like you.
Yeah man, that's why you can't get a man. You love run off your mouth too much. But no.
You have a man? You have a man?
My girl, you can't pick, choose and refuse anytime. You
But
can't
get a man that
me
come
ready.
though.
Hello.
I try to find a man.
By choice.
I still
By
single.
choice. By choice.
Girl, calm down. Bye.
No,
We
you
don't
need.
talk to you.
You
Bye.
need. You
Bye.
need. Nobody no need you here.
Bye.
Anybody? Oh wait. Yeah. No. Nobody.
Shut up, you chat too much. I'm tired of you.
Yeah. That's why. That's why man never
Take it out
tell you
of
for
this.
this. Your man
Don't-
never tell you to stop the talking.
Shut
because
up.
you chat too much. You see that?
You
My
need
girl.
to disappear now. Why not leave? Why
No.
not leave? Why are you
How about you
here?
give us a magician?
Why are you here?
How about you give
Stop
us a
doing that.
magician?
Don't point in my face. Don't point in my face.
This
Don't
is-
On the still a cuss, really? We gonna get much friggin' food and I must come back and I still not cuss.
I'm just
I
tired
know
now.
you cuss about
You
no.
just serious? She just dumb mature every
Just
day. We
this-
can't.
Look here, you guys are best friends since like forever, like what, kindergarten or something. So why not? I'm not see the reason why we not argue about something so stupid. So you know, guys, you know, no friend from a long time, you know, man. I don't like seeing a fight. Like honestly, I don't like see it. So I just hug it out, man, and then just be friendly again, man. Just hug it out, man. Come on, man. Kill my
Bitch, blood.
Ah! No, but
Here?
oh, oh,
You wet me up? Some blood fire.
gosh, you wet up my pants to my oh. Throw religion this enough.
Freaking land it in the
Throw
water.
religion this enough.
Aye.
What really just take place a while ago?
Bitch, blood.
I'm a truly religion jeans for Vexbo, man. Sure.
You see me you talk about your jeans? We're gone.
Wagwan. Me no business with Sashawna did throw water off a Rykel. Cause y'all forget wet, yes it. But what my true religion did have to do with it, eh? What my true religion did have to do with this? That day, I learned a valuable lesson. See people business, leave it alone. Enough.